How to create Amazon Seller Center account. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, launch a preferred browser in your device. To start up, search for Amazon Seller Central. In here, tap on Welcome to Amazon Seller Central. This will redirect you to the official webpage of your Amazon seller. To create your Amazon seller, go ahead and tap on the sign up button that is present at the top of your screen. If you already have yourself an Amazon account, you can easily link through it by entering your password. If not, go ahead and sign up manually. Enter your password, or in the case of forgotten, tap on Forgot Password. Alternative way, you can enter your email address or mobile phone number. You will either receive a recovery link or a recovery OTP code in the designated email or the phone number. Just tap on Continue. And that is how you'll be able to create your very own Amazon Seller Central account. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.